Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so thankful that you decided to return. So as y'all can see, this look right here is giving straight holidays, honey. Okay, so I'm so extra. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, I'm looking a hot mess. Okay, but that's fine because I'm about to get it together. So as y'all can see, I've already taped off my eyes or whatever because I want my look today to be very, you know, snatched. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be using the box of crayons eyeshadow palette by the Crayon Case today. The first shade I'm going to be going in with is the black shade right here, and I'm just going to be putting that into my crease and a little above my crease, blending it out. And then next I think I'm going to take this brown right here and just, you know, kind of buff it out or whatever. Okay, so now that I have everything blended out, I'm going to be taking the NYX glitter primer and just applying it here where I did not add any eyeshadow. All right, so now I'm going to be taking my red shimmer glitter and applying it. Okay, so I don't like it how it's just sitting right there in the center, so I'm just going to bring it a little closer to the corner. I'm sorry, y'all. So before I cream contour, I'm going to let y'all know I'm using a Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut. That's what I use to highlight. And then I'm just going to be taking the Juvia's Place foundation stick, which I use this. I love to use this to contour with. And the name is just going to go ahead and put that in the area. And I don't know what it is about my face, but I have like a round oval face. I don't know, but anyway, if you look here, you can kind of see that that's where I'm supposed to be. You know, so like in that area. So I'm just gonna put it there, and then I'll take it along my jawline, and of course the sides of my nose. Then I'm just going to be taking a Too Faced Born This Way translucent powder and translucent deep, and then that's what I'm going to be setting my face with. So the Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, medium to dark. As y'all can see, I didn't pan this out. So I'm just going to be taking an angled brush, dabbing that in there. I'm just going to be using this shade right here, the darkest one. Tap that off. So then next, I like to take the Sunstalker bronzer in Mocha Mommy, and this is by Fenty Beauty, of course. Okay, so I want to take my jumbo eye pencil, and this is in the color Milk 604 by NYX, and I'm just going to, you know, do my waterline. So I went ahead and put my mold on. Freaking forgot to set my whole face. But anyway, today I'm just going to be using the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. And this is in the color Deep. Yeah, number 60 Deep. Okay, and for my lashes, I'm going to be using a pair from Call It Eye Candy. And this is in the, I'm just not the number. This is in the style Bit Ol' Honey. I'm going to take it out the packaging so you guys can see. The packaging is so freaking adorable also. But these are the lashes right here. I'm not sure if the camera's doing it any justice. But anyway, y'all gonna see them on my eyes, and that's what's gonna sell y'all on them. All right, y'all, so now that I'm finished with my eyes, they are complete. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my lips. So now that I have my eyes and everything complete, I went ahead and lined my lips with a brown liner, and I'm going to be using the Crayon Cases Marie. This is their matte lipstick, liquid lipstick or whatever. So yeah, excuse me y'all, Bella is just acting ridiculous tonight. Anyway, I'm not too set on my lips yet. Like, I don't know for sure if I want to leave them like this. It's like I'm feeling it, but then again, I don't know if I want to tone it down just a little bit. But yeah, so for now, I'm going to fix my hair. And this unit is from Premium Lace Wigs. Yo, I really love these earrings. Look at my wig just flapping away. But anyway, yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this little tutorial. Yeah, and if you did, please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Turn on that notification bell if you have not already. And yeah, thank you guys so much. I hope that you are enjoying your holidays. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you all, and until next time.